Actually, ma'am, I joined this company last April. Really, it's a wonderful company because I have a previous many companies, but this company is very friendly to the employees, and this is a purely a new product for me. It's a silk protein with silver. Actually, this is a lot of scope to discuss with doctors and even to the patient also very much benefited. So this is a really a very innovative product to the market.
सर अपार्ट फ्रॉम प्रोडक्ट आई वुड लाइक टू नो एज कंपनी कल्चर मतलब आपको लाइक व्हाट डू यू थिंक इन टर्म्स ऑफ पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट आपको थ्रू योर जर्नी आपको क्या क्या और सीखने मिला वेदर इट्स वैल्यूज वेदर इट्स लाइक एनी न्यू स्किल या कुछ नया आइडियाज या एनीथिंग लाइक टीम वर्क और समथिंग लाइक दैट.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, this company, after joining me, actually, according to the each and every employee, we are giving a personal attention for the training. Training, not only the training, we are giving the job, working with the people every day, and we are giving more about the science like silk protein and the product efficacy and all. So we are more on the training culture, and moreover, the company to the employees also very family type of approach we are giving to the employees.
एंड सर टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट्स तो इट्स लाइक कि बहुत सारे मेडिकल प्रोडक्ट्स अवेलेबल है फार्मास्यूटिकल प्रोडक्ट्स अवेलेबल है वेदर इट्स इन इंडिया और लाइक आई वुड लाइक टू नो कि ग्लोबली इफ फाइब्रोहील गेट्स द ग्लोबल एक्सपोजर सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट कि कंट्रीज लाइक जर्मनी है जापान है सो because there it's like they believe a lot in biotechnology or unique research part.
Yes, actually you are right, because this product is now invented in India. I think this product reach many of the country. This kind of the products, they are also looking for the new innovative and moreover patient friendly, and moreover this very natural product, because nowadays natural product is having more potential in the worldwide. I think this product, FibroHeal can reach many global hospitals as well as a global market. There's a huge hope for FibroHeal.
Sir, are there any side effects of the products that you came across till now?
Ma'am, actually before joining FibroHeal, I have got this product for some personal use. It's a really awesome result, and not only the human, this product is using in the veterinary also. Veterinary is getting more result, and many of the veterinarians now started using FibroHeal because this product suits for not only the human, it's for all the veterinary patients also.
Sir, can you give one scenario or example of the product which
Oh.
was used?
I'll tell you one product in FibroHeal AG powder. It's I have given many hospitals as well as the patients personally also. Everybody happy with that product. The results are phenomenal. So I am 100% I will recommend for each and every patient as well as our relatives too.